Hello guys, in this lesson we're going to be talking about simple present tense. You're probably wondering, what do I mean when I say tense? Well, tense is the way we talk about time. In the past, in the present, or in the future, and so on. But today we're going to focus on the present tense, simple present tense, when to use it and how to use it. The simple present tense is a verb tense with two main uses. We use the simple present tense when an action is happening right now, or it happens regularly or unceasingly. It could be permanent, like a job. Tom works at Starbucks. Routine, something you do daily, like brush your teeth, take a shower, bathe, eat. Facts, things that are true. And even habitual things and things that happen frequently, how often something happens. Here are some words to look for. Usually, every day, sometimes, often. Pay close attention to these pronouns because they are singular and you use them to talk about one person or thing. Personal pronouns, he, she, it, and singular nouns like Tom, maybe Harry, maybe Jane. We would add s, es, and ies to the original form of the verb. Here are some examples. But before we talk about the examples, there are some spelling rules when we're dealing with the simple present tense that we must follow. With most verbs, we add s. Example, drive, drives. You could go ahead and say them after me. Run, runs. Sit, sits. Jump, jumps. Ending in consonant or y, we change the y to I and add es. We change the y to I and add es. So for example, the word cry ends with a y, so we would say cry, cries. Change the y to I and add es. Carry, carries. Marry, marries. Try, tries. Very good. Ending in s, z, or you may say z, ch, or x, we add es. So if your words and if the verbs end in s, z, ch, or x, we add es. Example, miss, misses. Buzz, buzzes. Catch, catches. Fix, fixes. And there are some exceptions to the rules, of course, like go, goes, do, does. All right, here are some sentences using the present tense of verbs. So when we add s, for example, Jesse walks his dog. He looks at the pictures on the wall. Pete always cooks the dinner. Sounds like a habit, right? When to add es. John watches Tom and Jerry every night. He washes his clothes every Saturday morning. Y to ies. She carries a heavy bag. The baby cries loudly. He dries the dishes regularly. As you can see, all of these verbs end with a Y. Carry, cry, dry, So we have changed the Y to I and we have added ES. So your sentence looks something like this. Your subject, then your verb, and then the things. So your subjects would be he or she or it, maybe a singular noun like Peter or Sue. And then your verb, love, would be he loves, she loves, it loves, Peter loves, Sue loves playing football. Try these. We're gonna fill in the blanks with the correct form of the verb. All right, so Kira in Jamaica. He dash English at school. Harry refrigerators daily. My mother the house. Every Thursday, my cousin in art and craft class. We're going to go ahead and give you a minute to fill in the blanks, and then we will show you the results and you will see if you got them correct. Alright, so Kira lives in Jamaica. Kira is a singular noun. He studies English at school. That is a personal pronoun, which is singular. We have dropped the Y and we have added, very good, IES. Harry fixes refrigerators daily. My mother cleans the house. Every Thursday, my cousin paints in art and craft class. Thank you so much for watching.